Gatha and welcome back to another video. And if you are here for the first time, hello, myself Gatha. And huge shout out to Suman Tripathi for suggesting this video. And today I'll be showing you how to make a floor study space. In the past I made a video which was how to make a study space, but I told that you can have a desk and related to desk, but I realized that not everyone has the space for desk and not everyone can afford that. But in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a study space even without a desk. And if you have a desk, you can check that video. The link will be in the description. And from now on, I'm going to give you guys a shout out. And now without making this intro so long, let's get into the video.
Place for your study space. It can be your living room or in your room, just where nobody will disturb you while studying. Now you have chosen your place for setting the study space, but before actually start setting that up, clean the environment. Clean environment helps you for focusing. Number 3. Take something to sit on. Here I have this bed sheet, but you can take anything you find around your house. A flat pillow or stack of books. If you work on a laptop for a long time, then your neck will start to hurt because you will be looking down for a long time. So take the stack of books. If you don't have a flat pillow, this will not hurt your neck. Have a bottle of water. This is very important. You should always keep a bottle of water near you, whether you are working on the desk or the floor. Personally, when I have water near me, I drink it more than when I don't have it near me. Take only essentials. Your study space is set and you're about to get started. Grab all of your supplies, but remember, you should only take supplies which you will be using. This will help you in keeping your study space clean and organized, and you will be more focused.
That's all for the video, and I hope that you found this video helpful. And if you make your own study space, be sure to tell me in the comment section below, and you can just tag me over your Instagram. I would love to see your creativity and creations. And this was all for today's video. I will see you in the next. Until then, keep smiling. Bye. Have a nice day. Love you all.